Let's access Khan Academy from Classlink. Once you have logged into your Classlink account, you will see an icon entitled Khan Academy. Simply click on the icon. Once you load the application, you may see this pop up. Simply click Continue to Website. You may also see another pop-up that will say Use the cookies. Click Accept all cookies. Finally, you will see the screen that enables you to log in. We want to log in with Continue to Clever, which is your second option. Continue with Clever. At this screen, you are asked to type the name of your school. So begin typing Putnam County High School. And notice you will see several Putnam County schools. We want the Putnam County High School with Putnam County Charter School System directly underneath. Once we select that, it will then appear for us to log in with SAML. Simply click Log in with SAML. Congratulations! Now you're in Khan Academy and Khan Amigo. You are prompted here with the Khan Amigo actual login. You can click Try the Activities. Notice to begin with, it tells you that this is Khan Amigo, your AI guide for artificial intelligence that is going to help tutor you in your academic courses. Also note that, like all artificial intelligence, it is susceptible to making mistakes. Finally, remember that your teachers can see all of your messages and do not include any personal details in your message. At this time, you can click I understand to begin your tutoring session.